Hi guys, welcome back to another part of Android tutorial. In the previous part of this tutorial we already see that how to use a list view in an Android project. So in this part of this tutorial I am going to explain how to customize a list view. So in some situation you need to select an item or a list of item from a list view for performing some actions like deleting an item or sending an SMS or email to an item or a list of item available in a list view. So here I am going to explain how to make the list view available for a single or multiple selection. So here I am using the same example that used in the previous section. So in order to customizing the list view, first of all you have to get an instance of the list view used in your project. So here I am going to get an object of the list view. I name the object as list view is equal to use the method get list view. Okay, now I just get an object of the list view. So now I have to make the list view available for single or multiple selection. So I use the method list view dot set choice mode. I use an integer value 2. Here I use an integer value 2 because I need to choose multiple items from the list view. So whenever we using a choice mode as 2, that means you have to select multiple items from the list view. If you using 1 instead of 2, that means you can choose only one item from the list view at a time. If you using 0 instead of 1 and 2, that means none of the item is available for choosing in that list view. One more changes you need to do is to change the style of the list view. Make it as available for multiple choice, symbol list item multiple choice. Save the project. Now you have to set a selection box on selection box for each item in the list view. For selecting an item you need a selection box for each item in the list view. So in order to create a selection box for each item on the list view, you can use the method you can use the object of the list view. Here you get an argument of the list view. Here the argument name is L. So here I use that argument L dot set item checked method. Set item checked, you have to use the position of that item. Now you have to pass another argument called L dot is item checked. Is item checked, again you have to pass the position. Okay, that's done. Now your list view is available for multiple selection mode. Now this is the time to check the project. So now I run the project. Okay, now the list view is appear. You can see that at the right side of each item there is a selection box is associated with each item in the list view. So I just select one item. Now the list view is available for selecting multiple item. Again I choose another item. Guys, this is how we make the list view available for multiple selection. So if your list view contain a large number of items, you have to search for some item by just typing the first letter of that name of that item. So you have to make the list view available for text filtering. So here I just enable the list view available for text filtering. So I use the same instance of that list view dot set text filter enabled. I make it as true. Again I check the project and now Android application. Okay, if I want to select only the names that start with P or R, I just type R. Now you can see that the name that start with R only appear on the list view. This is how we make the list view available for some text filtering. Also, if you want to view the name that start with N only in the list view, then I just type N. You can see that the name that start with N only appear on the list view. Guys, this is how we customizing a list view effectively in an Android application project. Thank you for watching. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe now for getting more video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.